In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable SSO Prefill in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Find the form you want to use, then click Edit Form to open it in the Form Builder. At the top of the page, click the Publish tab. In the left-hand menu, select Prefill. Then choose SSO Prefill. Turn on the Enable SSO Prefill option. Keep in mind that this feature is available with Jotform Enterprise, so you'll need an enterprise account to use it. Once it's enabled, map your SSO attributes to the corresponding form fields. For example, map your SSO first name, last name, and email attributes to the matching fields in your form using the drop-down menus. After you've finished mapping the fields, click Save or Update to apply your changes. To make sure everything is working correctly, open the form in a new browser tab and sign in through your SSO provider. Verify that the form fields are automatically filled with the correct user information. That's how to enable SSO Prefill in Jotform. Thanks for watching.